Good morning again. So this is video number 4 in the discussion of colors, about characters, about personalities. Okay, if you haven't watched the first 3, probably you should watch them before you watch this one because it will help you understand more what we're talking about. Okay, now about my background, I hope it's not very bright because I chose to choose this background today. It's so beautiful outside as the weather in London, so I thought let me share that with you. Today we're talking about the 4 colors and the way that they're sorted. Okay, the way that they're sorted in this circle is not random. It's actually done on purpose to say that the green energy and the red energy are opposite and the yellow energy and blue energy are opposite. Okay, in the same way we're saying that there is a common thing between green and yellow, there is a common thing between blue and red, etc. Every 2 neighboring colors, they have something in common. What are these commonalities? First, let me talk about green and blue. There is something common in between them, that they're both internal people. What does it mean to be an internal person? It means that the gas, the energy that I want to get in, the more energy that I want to fill, I get it from internal. So I think about things, I reflect on things, or actually I connect with others on a one-on-one level or a very small group level. This is what it means to be an internal person. Some people call it introverted, but introverted as a word, a lot of people misunderstand it. Now, yellow and red, they're both external. What does it mean? It means that their gas station is external. The more they see people, the more they're energized. And this is why probably this confinement is a little bit more difficult on them, because they will be low on energy when they don't interact with people. And this is why we said that for the yellow energy in specific, they would go into Zoom parties, they want to go out, they want to sing with others, all of that. Now, these are the commonalities. Another commonality is between yellow and green. Yellow and green are people-oriented people, or people-focused people. What does that mean? It means that they care so much about other people, and they think that everything that can be achieved should be achieved through the person, not through the task or the policy. Okay, so they're more emotional people, and do not misunderstand me when I say emotional. It doesn't mean that they cry and they laugh. No, it does not have to mean that way. We're all emotional in that sense. But the green and yellow, meaning they are connected to their emotions much more than the blue and red, which are much more connected to the mind, which what we call them task-oriented. So do these people care about other people and about feelings of other people? Absolutely yes. Do never misunderstand me. These people, they care about the feelings of others, but they go into task focus first. These people, they do care about the task, but they go into people feelings first. Okay, so this is why we call that these 2 colors are opposite and these 2 colors are opposite. While there is a commonality here, commonality here, commonality here, and commonality here. So yellow energy are external people-oriented. Green energy are internal people-oriented. Blue energy is internal task-oriented, and red energy are external task-oriented. Okay, again, I always say it, this is a very quick video. There is so much more to talk about this concept of introversion, extroversion, task orientation, and people orientation, but it's just a quick review. So see you tomorrow for another topic, which probably will be about good day, bad day for each color, and it's such a fun topic to talk about. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.